In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and typing GoDaddy into the search bar. Once you've located GoDaddy's official website in the search results, go ahead and click the link. You'll be directed to the GoDaddy homepage where you'll need to log in. You can do this using your email, or, if you prefer, you can log in using your Facebook or Google account credentials. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the GoDaddy dashboard. You'll see a section labeled Websites plus Marketing. This is where all your online presence magic happens. Within this section, locate your website and click on the Manage button. This will take you to the management area of your site, where you can make various changes and updates. Now, to get to the heart of the process, you need to click Edit to open the Website Builder Editor. This is the workspace where you'll design and refine the content of your web page. In the editor, navigate to the specific page and desired location on your website where you want the custom HTML code to appear. Take your time here to ensure you're placing the HTML exactly where you want it to show up for your visitors. Next, you'll want to add a new section to the page. This part is crucial as it sets the stage for embedding your custom HTML code. While adding the new section, look carefully for an option labeled Embed HTML or Custom Code. The exact label may vary slightly, but it's usually quite intuitive and easy to spot. Once you've selected it, a new HTML section will appear on your page, ready for customization. Click on this newly added HTML section to reveal a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see a field marked Custom Code. This is the space where you'll input the HTML code you've either written or sourced from elsewhere. Go ahead and paste your custom HTML into this field. Doing this will embed the code within your website, incorporating the new functionality or design you've set up. Before finalizing everything, it's wise to use the preview function. This allows you to see exactly how your HTML code looks and functions on your site without actually making it live. If everything looks good in the preview, the last step is to save your changes. Make sure you've saved everything you've worked on before clicking Publish. With a final click on Publish, your newly added HTML code will be live for all your visitors to see and interact with. And that's it. You're now well prepared to enhance your GoDaddy website using custom HTML.